What time is it?
It's science time!
Density is measured by how much mass there is in a given volume. Density equals mass divided by volume. Water, for example, has a density of 1 gram per milliliter or 1 gram per cubic centimeter. Let's look at these two cubes that take up the same amount of space. We call the amount of space something takes up volume. Each cube is filled equally with 1,000 milliliters of water. We can now add sugar to each of them. 10 grams of sugar to cube A and 100 grams of sugar to cube B. As you can see, although both cubes are still taking up the same amount of space, one cube has more mass inside of it, which means it's more dense. We measure density by using a scientific tool called a scale. You can see on this scale that the cube that has more sugar inside is heavier. Thanks for being part of our crew today and checking out this short clip from DIY Science Time. If you like this clip and you want to see more exciting science, check out the full versions right here on the channel. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more exciting DIY Science Time.